must help my friends, even if it means harming my Silkie.
M319, come!
No, Silkie! He is evil! You belong with your Knorfka! You belong with me! Here, Silkie! Here, my sweet little mutant!
Here, Larva M319. Come to Papa.
Oh, Silkie! Starfire has a big hug for you!
Hey, big fella. Did Killer Moth create you in a lab? Yes, he did. Yes, he did. Larva M319. Larva M319, I am your father. Larva M319.
Wishes to cuddle Silkie.
Join me, and together we shall go on a picnic of some sort. Larva M319.
I got eaten.
So nasty.
Sweet, my leg!
Silkie? Silkie? Silkie! Oh, hello, my little bumgorf.
He wasn't mutating. He was just molting. Fascinating. Can we go home now? I need a shower in the worst way.
All right, he can stay. As long as you don't give him any more alien food.
But I do not know what else to feed him. Oh, it tastes just like Zorka berries.
Shouldn't we maybe try to stop her?
That stuff's gotta get cleaned up somehow.
Delicious.